Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making Donggan chicken. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cut the onion into strips, slice the ginger, cut the green onions into approximately 2 centimeter segments. Remove the leaves from the cilantro and cut the stems into segments. And cut the garlic leaves into segments about 2 centimeters long as well. Next, fill a pot halfway with water and add the chicken, followed by the green onions and ginger slices. Cover the pot and cook until the chicken is about 80% done. Remove the chicken, drain it, and cut it into strips, about 4 centimeters long. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the ginger slices and Sichuan peppercorns and saute until fragrant. Then add the chicken to the pan and start stir-frying with half a teaspoon of salt. Pour in a suitable amount of rice vinegar and stir-fry until the chicken changes color. Then add a small amount of cooking wine for flavor. Next, add the onion strips and stir-fry until they separate. If you like spicy food, you can add dried chili peppers according to your taste. Add a small amount of water, cover the pan, and let it simmer on high heat for about 2 minutes. Finally, add the cilantro stems and green onion segments, stir-fry, and drizzle in a bit of sesame oil for extra flavor. Stir-fry until the sauce thickens, and then it's ready to be served. The chicken is tender and juicy, and the onions are sweet and delicious. It's truly an amazing dish. Friends, you must try our Donggan chicken. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.